Hello, folks. Another good day. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about the POSC setup. Okay. So we'll have two different recordings. One for your LOSC, layout oriented storage control, and POSC. So today we are going to talk about POSC, that is process oriented storage control. So basically we are going to perform a deconsolidation. Okay. So let us quickly start with creation of a purchase order ME21N. Now you can go ahead with your supplier, purchasing organization, and all those data. You can key in those manually. But right now, what I've done, I have already have created a PO. I'll take the reference of that PO and I'll take two different line item and quickly try to copy that purchasing order to my new purchasing order. I have given the confirmation control key for line item 10 and also line item 20. I'll quickly perform a check on this PO. It's all good. Let me save it. Okay, the PO number got generated, so I have successfully created the PO. Let me go to the next step, that is creation of the inbound delivery using T code VL31N, right? So I'll hit enter, go inside. I can see two different line item, right? I'm all good. Let me quickly save to create the inbound delivery and distribute it to the EWM. Now let me keep a note of the inbound delivery that I have already created. Let us go to PRDI screen. Okay, that is maintain inbound delivery in your EWM site. Let me key in the inbound delivery number over here, execute. So now you can see two different line item. Okay, 50-50 eaches of both. Goods receipt unloading, put away, nothing started. Let me start with performing packing. I'll go to inbound delivery, follow on function pack. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to give the packaging material as pallet, right? I'm going to give packaging material as pallet, and then what I'll do, I'll perform execute. So you can see a HU got created. 158 is the HU. Here you can see HU 158. That is the packaging material. TAPL pallet is constructed. Now what I'll do, I'll just drag and drop the products inside that HU to perform packing. Now you can see both the products are inside this HU number 158. Let me quickly save it so that the HU is created. Okay, here you can see the HU is created. Okay, I have already saved. Let me quickly go back to the delivery. And if you go to the status tab, you can see packing has been already completed. Right, fine. Let us quickly go into the HU tab and verify that. Yeah, we can see HU 158. Okay, and both our products are inside this HU. Okay, packing done. Let's go ahead and perform the next step, that is your put away. Before put away, we need to perform what? Goods receipt. So goods receipt I have already posted. Goods receipt is posted. You can see in the status tab. Packing completed. Goods receipt posted. Let us perform the put away. Let me go to following function, warehouse task. So when I go to the warehouse task, I do not see any warehouse request because these products are not going inside the warehouse as loose product, right? They're going as an HU. So I need to go to the handling unit section. Here I can see a handling unit. Okay, 9030 is the door, warehouse door. From inside that, I'm going to take my HU all the way till your final destination bin. Okay, let me quickly do a create plus save to create a put away warehouse task. As soon as I do a create plus save, here you can see a pop-up came, that is 3 warehouse tasks created. Okay, 3 warehouse tasks created. Let us verify what are those 3 warehouse tasks. Let me quickly copy the inbound delivery number and open monitor screen. Okay, let us go to SCWM Mon, right? Monitor screen here. What you can do is you can open inbound documents, double click on inbound delivery, key in the inbound delivery number, hit execute. As soon as you hit execute, you can see the inbound delivery details displayed on your screen. Now on the upper section, click on the warehouse task to display all the warehouse tasks that are already created for the inbound delivery itself. So here, as you can see, there are 3 different warehouse tasks for our HU, that is 158 that we have already created, right? You can see 3 different warehouse tasks. One warehouse task is 430, 431, and 432. So if I talk about 430 and 431, both the status are in B. That means B means you can see clearly waiting. Those are waiting. Okay. The one which we can confirm should either be in blank, that is open, right? You cannot confirm any warehouse task that is in A status or that is in C status or that is in B status. The only warehouse task you can confirm is that is blank, that is open, right? So here you can see 432 is open. So what exactly it is doing? It is moving the product from 9030, that is my door bin, to my GR zone 9010. That is from door to my GR zone, right? So this is the bit. Let me quickly confirm that, okay, to move the product from, like to move the HU, which contains both the product, to move it from the door to the GR zone, which is my primary step. Okay, so I do confirm in background. As soon as I do confirm in background, you can see, okay, warehouse 432 is confirmed already. If I hit on OK, you can see two different warehouse tasks getting created. Sorry, one different warehouse task getting created. You can see a new warehouse task got created, that is 433. What it is saying, it is now asking me to move the product, move the HU. Okay, the product is obviously inside the HU, to move it from the GR zone to my 8010. What is my 8010? It is a different storage type. What storage type it is? If you want to see, you can see it over here. 8010 is deconsolidation in goods receipt. So that means I need to deconsolidation. I need to perform a deconsolidation for that. Okay, fine. To perform that, I need to move that to the work center. That is 8010 is the storage type for that. Let me quickly confirm. Okay, as soon as I'm confirming, that means I am allowing the resource to move the HU from my GR zone to 8010. Right now it is already moved. Fine, that is already confirmed. Now, as soon as that is confirmed, let me quickly go into my deconsolidation work center. Okay, so what is the T code for that? /n/SAWM DCONS, decons. Okay, hit enter. Now you need to enter your warehouse number and the work center that you have created to perform deconsolidation. For us, here it is TAP is the warehouse number and the deconsolidation work center is DEKK. Right now, execute and quickly find out our HU, that is 158, right? So this HU contains two different products. Now what we need to do, we need to segregate these products into two different HUs, right? Let me close other things. We are only going to focus on 158. Let me quickly create another palette. Okay, I'll execute giving the packaging material, and here you can see 159, HU number 159 got constructed. Okay, so where it is, here it is blank, right? It is blank. So what I need to do, I need to drag and drop one material inside this 159 to create a different HU, to pack this material into a different HU. But remember, if you try to double click, drag and drop this product itself, which you were doing in packaging, so it will not work over here. So what exactly you need to do, you need to click on this drop down menu. And here you can see the warehouse task inside that. That is 431, right? That is 431. You can verify the same thing over here in the monitor screen. You can see 431. What is the product? 155. Come back to the deconsolidating work center. Here you can see 155 as 431. Now double click this warehouse task number 431 and drag and drop in the other HU, the newly constructed HU, that is 159. Now you can see 158 has one HU, 159 has the other HU, right? 158 one product, it is one HU, 159 has another product, another HU. Now we are now done with the HUs. So how do system know that? We need to click on complete process step for HU. Where you need to click on the complete process step in HU to let the system know that I am done with the HU. Whatever I wanted to do, I want to perform repack, pack, deconsolidation, I'm done with the HU. That is 159. Then again 158. Both the HUs, I'm done with that. Now quickly save and come out of the transaction. Right now, let me go back to the monitor screen. Here, if I hit on refresh, you will see a warehouse task getting created. Let me hit on refresh. You can see, okay, two different warehouse tasks are there. What they are saying to move this product. There is one is 158, another is 159. Okay, 159 contains the product 155, ends with 155, and 158 contains the original product, that is 154. Okay, what they are exactly saying to do? They have determined the destination bin based on the putaway strategies. And what they're doing, they're moving the product from the deconsolidation work center to the final destination bin. That means the putaway is going to be get completed. Let us verify in the PRDI screen whether the putaway has been completed or not. Here you can see unloading completed, goods receipt completed, packing completed. Okay, packing completed, everything completed, but my putaway is still not started. Okay, so when it will get completed, as soon as I confirm both the warehouse tasks. Let me quickly select both the warehouse tasks at one point of time. Click on confirm in background. As soon as I confirm in background, okay, both the warehouse tasks are confirmed. Okay, here you can see CC. Now, if you go back into your PRDI screen, hit refresh, you can see putaway has been completed. Here also you can see putaway has been completed. Both the HUs and have been moved to their final destination bin. So this concludes our POSC setup where we are going to perform deconsolidation using our inbound delivery.